Hey guys, so in today's lesson we're going to be learning Leaving on a Jet Plane by John Denver. Super easy one, just basic chords that repeat the whole way through. Let's get learning them chords. Okay guys, so as mentioned in the intro, this is a super easy one. It's literally just got 3 chords and then these chords will repeat the whole way through. But the chords we need to learn are G, so that is 2nd string down from the top, fret number 2, top string, fret number 3, and then bottom string number 3. That's our G chord. Again, you can pop the pinky on the bottom, add ring finger just above if you want. It's another variation. So that's our G chord. Next chord we need in this one is C. That's 2nd string up from the bottom, number 1. 3rd one down from the top, number 2. String above, fret 3. Strum all the strings except the top. Pop that thumb over the top if we need to. You can mute that top string and then strum all the strings. Just in case you keep catching that top one. There's your C chord. Next one we've got is D. 3rd one up from the bottom, fret 2. Bottom string 2. Middle string, fret 3. And we strum the bottom 4 strings. That's our D chord. So let's quickly recap on them. We have a G, either like that or that, a C chord, and a D chord. And that is it, guys, for the song. So once we've got these chords, let's now move on to learning the strumming pattern. Okay guys, so now that we've learned the chords, we're going to learn the order and the strumming pattern. Now, the entire song, it consists of G, C, a G, a C, G, C, and D. Now it's that order of chords throughout the entire song, and it literally just repeats. Now the strumming pattern we want, for every chord we're going to go down, down, up, up, down, and then on to the next chord, C, down, down, up, down, back to the G, down, down, up, down, then the C, down, down, up, down, G, down, down, up, down, C, down, down, up, down, D, and then another bar of D. And it literally just repeats that the whole way through. So that was G, C, G, C, G, C, D twice, and it literally just goes over and over and over again like that. And that is it, guys. Okay, so that concludes today's lesson. I hope that's been super helpful. If you've enjoyed learning this lesson on Leaving on a Jet Plane, please do give me a like and a subscribe, and I'll see you again in the next one.